What's in the box? We came home with a surprise. What's in the box? Good morning. We're opening another box here. Look at this.
It's just one.
It's just one. What is this? Persimmon. Why
Huh?
just one?
Just one. I ordered two.
We ordered two.
Pretty sure I did. We'll double check that.
Yeah, we ordered
Oh, these are blueberries.
blueberries. Okay, let's open
How you
it.
doing?
I know it. Can you check the order? Oh, yeah, it will show only one then. Two.
Two. It says ship two.
Ship two. Where's the other one? Oh no. We only got one persimmon.
Two. Okay, well, should I take a picture of it?
Yeah, take a picture. We ordered two persimmons
Well,
and
maybe it's on back order or something.
yeah. Maybe I should call. They might give us extra again.
All right. At least one, two, right?
Yeah.
Big one. Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. The persimmon.
All right.
Now, and we have four root rockets
For starting.
for starting the roots really healthy. So this is where we order our trees.
Some of them.
Most
Yeah,
most of them.
A lot of them we did, yeah.
A lot, but the pine trees that we wanted, they don't have it right now. They're sold out, right, baby?
I think so.
Yeah, so we ordered at a different place, but they said fast growing trees.
But all the stuff they got from them were really nice.
They said they're the best selling, store for plants or trees in the world. That's
Really?
yeah,
That's what they say?
yeah, on the website.
Wow.
The world.
They got two, she got three, but two will get started. Cool. These are blueberry bushes.
Blueberry bushes, they grow fast too. Blueberry bushes. Blue tall, organic.
someone put like a trading, a little trading with everything, so we can
Yeah.
and he started crying every time there's a new book. He
Yeah.
finds it,
Supports it mainly.
But he only had like 3 layers of bark.
Yeah. For blueberry bushes?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we will need another
Yeah, we need another one.
persimmon.
Huh? Yeah. So don't say no one's on the way. They should go through.
Yeah, it doesn't say the other one's on the way, so we have to double check all them and straighten it up.